1.5 hour na biyahe galing Baguio City. So, stop over kami dito sa Pincanjo Eatery. So, ganito yata karami yung magiging kasabayan namin sa Mount Pulag bukas. Napakaraming van. So, dito na kami nag-breakfast. And dito rin sa bandang itaas ng Pincanjo, pwede rin kumuha ng medical certificate, just in case wala pa tayong medical certificate bago umakyat ng Pulag.
1 hour later.
Bakit na daw ba? Ito tayo. Ang dami. Sa panglimang beses ko na aakyat ng Mount Pulag, ito lang yung pagkakataon na na-experience ko na crowded ang DNR office para sa orientation. Ito ma'am, number 11. Number 12 po.
The playground of the gods. A biodiversity hotspot. A sacred springboard to the afterlife. The ultimate Cordillera adventure.
From now on, we are imposing penalties to the areas may reservation. Hindi pwede yan eh. Parang bahay din yan. Na may carrying capacity, papasok ka. Lalong-lalo sa mga puti. Is there anybody coming from other countries? Nagkaroon na ng changes because for the legislation of population. Sa awan ng Diyos, andyan naman. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa claims ng IPs were documenting also, okay? So when you enter there, you are given the privilege to enter, provided you follow the solid waste management. We are also pressuring the local government units to also do their part to mitigate this. So
1 hour later.
Relax na dito ra sa height.
And so after almost 1 hour na orientation sa DNR and another almost 1 hour na biyahe hanggang dito, and nandito ulit tayo sa jump off point ng Akiki Trail for the third time. So joiner lang tayo sa ngayon. So hopefully magkaroon ng magandang weather and magandang experience yung pang-5 beses ko dito sa my mother mountain, Mount Pulag. Pag-akyat pa lang papunta dito sa ranger station galing kalsada, nakakahingal na. And by the way, ito yung view ng Kabayan. Kabayan Benguet. So last time na nandito ako is April 2022. Almost half ng office lang yung occupied kasi nagkaroon daw ng slide dito sa may east side nung of ranger station dahil nung lindo nung April and July 2022 na earthquake. Yan, so ito yung effect nung landslide nung July 2022 earthquake dito sa ranger station ng So nandito na pala yung mga rates natin dito sa Akiki. So kung gusto niyo magpa-porter, dito tayo sa baggage rate Akiki Babalak. Depende na lang kung ilang araw.
Hindi, yung ito yung
The only reminder is when you pass through the bridge, pag nadaan ka sa bridge, tigda dalawa. Kasi it's just rebuild yung bridge at saka yung mga basura, kailangan may sarili. Then, pag may kailangan kayo sa portal at saka guide, pwede kayo magtanong sa kanila. I assure nga they are good guides and porters.
Yes.
And if you feel something, that a problem in your head or something, you can just report to them and they become also your organizer.
Yes, ma'am.
And they can just help you. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm speaking English.
It's okay, it's okay.
Because we have black American.
From Nigeria.
I could hardly speak English sometimes. We usually use English in school and I've been teaching Filipino in school.
Sabi ma'am.
Yun, 1 hour lang from Akiki Ranger Station. And yung na-accomplish namin, 1 kilometer pa lang dahil medyo mainit yung panahon. And since yun nga, medyo late na rin kaming nag-start, 1 PM. Dahil sa haba ng pila sa DNR para sa orientation kanina. So kahit weekdays, napakarami pa rin umaakyat ng Mount Pulag. And dito so more than 1 hour from Ranger Station, makikita natin dito yung mass grave ng mga namatay sa cholera outbreak during World War. Kumbaga mass grave siya ng mga ng mga namatay sa cholera outbreak noon. World War ang pagkakaalala ko. So hindi ko na masyado maalala yung detail.
Kasi nga makakakuan siya, no?
Oo. Well, totoo nga na mas mahirap ang Akiki Trail compared to ang Bangag Trail, pero yun naman, so yung reward dito is yung napakagandang scenery na makikita natin dito sa Akiki Trail. Umalis kami ng Akiki Ranger Station ng 1 PM and nandito na kami sa death campsite ng 3 PM. So 2 oras. Okay, so far easy lang naman yung trail. Kaya lang yun nga, since late yung exit namin, medyo may kainitan na. And then yung mga changes dito sa Edet River, yung dating tulay nasira sa during Typhoon Uwan, that is November 2025. So parang ni-restore lang daw nila yung old hanging bridge. Yun yung tatawiran natin ngayon. So medyo may kalakasan yung hangin, kaya unfortunately hindi ako makapagpalipad. Gusto ko pa naman sana makita yung aerial view ng Edet River. Okay, so tuloy na tayo and magsisimula na yung totoong laban. And so sabi ni Manong Guide, actually ito yung old na hanging bridge. Since nasira yung dating hanging bridge nung Typhoon Uwan, ni-recycle lang nila ito. Ikaw? Pagkalampas ng Edet River, yan, pagkalampas ng hanging bridge na to, okay, dito na nagsisimula yung totoong laban dito sa Akiki Trail. Yeah. 1 hour from Edet River. So sa pagkakalala ko, nalampasan na namin yung may matinding slope na bahagi ng Akiki Trail. Yun yung may 60 to 70 degrees na slope. So So sa ngayon parang naglalaro na lang siya around 42, 50 degrees. So ganun pa rin. I never underestimate Akiki Trail. So even it's my third time. So it's my third time pero challenging pa rin siya. And unfortunately, may madadanan tayo na part ng Akiki Trail na yan, nasunog. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung possible cause. Yan, so 4 hours from Akiki Ranger Station. Yan, so may konting flat area dito, nakapagpahinga saglit. And then, start na naman ng assault. Dito sa napakagandang pine forest ng Akiki Trail. Ayan. So hopefully hindi kami magabihan bago makarating sa campsite. So isa sa mga kailangan pang i-consider dito sa Akiki Trail, since the usual hapon na tayo nag-hike and west slope ito, talagang babad tayo sa araw. So make sure na magbaon tayo ng sapat na tubig. Sa mga sikat na spot dito sa Akiki Trail, yung Elepantas. So maraming nagpipicture dito. Since yan, parang hugis nga siya ng task ng elepante, and then napakagandang pine trees na on the background. So welcome to the infinite zigzag of Akiki Trail. So zigzag yung trail para kahit paano gradual yung pag-akyat dito sa napakagandang pine forest ng Akiki Trail. Pag narating na natin tong Carabao Pine Tree, yan, malapit na yung campsite. Yan, so somewhere doon. Kaya lang, medyo matindi pa yung assault papunta doon. Sabi na, inabot tayo ng 6 hours and 40 minutes from Akiki Ranger Station hanggang dito sa Malboro.
Okay, ang usog na mas.
Saan?
Ito, ipapalo.
May ulam na natin ito.
The next day.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
And original plan alis lang 6 AM pero nabot na kami ng 8:30. So in-enjoy lang namin yung moment dito sa Marlboro Camp. Since napakaganda ng weather. Yan, though it's my third time dito sa Akiki Trail, ito yung first time na makikita ko ang bahagi ng trail na to after the Marlboro Camp on a daylight. Kasi yung previous 2 times ko sa Akiki Trail, laging madaling araw na dumadaan dito. So tingnan natin yung Mossy Forest ng Akiki Trail. And so around 30 minutes from Marlboro Camp, mukhang dito na nagtatapos yung Pine Forest. Ito mukhang papasok na tayo sa starting point ng the Mossy Forest ng Akiki Trail. And almost 1 hour from Marlboro Camp. Yan, narating namin itong isa sa mga century tree ng Akiki Trail. Kaya lang unfortunately yung bandang baba niya nasunog, tapos maraming taga. So hopefully hindi na yan madagdagan para madagdagan pa yung buhay ng century tree na to. At dito rin malapit dun sa may century tree ng Akiki Trail, dito rin yung last na water source ng Akiki Trail bago mag-summit. So higit tayo. And so far yung trail hanggang dito gradual lang naman, walang namang masyadong mahirap na assault. So hopefully ganun hanggang summit ng Mount Pulag. Pero pagkakalala ko, yung pinaka-assault is bago mag-grassland o yung paakyat ng grassland. And almost 2 hours from Marlboro Camp, narating natin ulit itong isa pa sa mga e-camp ng Akiki Trail. So ganito pala yung itsura niya during the daytime. So again, doon sa past 2 times na nag-Akiki ako, madaling araw akong dumadaan dito. Ayan. So napakaganda rin yung kanyang Mossy Forest. Ayan. So 2 oras galing Marlboro Camp, narating na natin yung starting point ng grassland ng Mount Pulag. Amazing. Napakaganda pala talaga ng view dito sa starting point ng grassland galing ng Akiki. So ito pala yung view niya pag daytime. Yan. So sulit yung decision ng group na late na lang umakyat para naman ma-experience namin yung yung daytime experience dito sa grassland ng Akiki Trail. And so 3 hours from Marlboro Camp. Yan. Unang sulyap natin sa summit ng Mount Pulag. Yan. So though nasa grassland part pa rin kami ay ng Akiki Trail.
is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times don't fly too high.
Yan, so past 1 a.m. pababa na kami. Yan. Past 1 p.m. So natagalan kami dito sa may peak na to. Sa napakaganda kasing view ng summit ng Mount Pulag. So pababa na kami ng Saddle Camp along this rocky trail. So bali yun yung aming yun yung Saddle Camp, doon kami magla-lunch. So maganda rin yung ganitong itinerary na parang hindi tayo nagmamadali. Na-enjoy lang natin yung trail ng Mount Pulag. Yan, 5 hours from Marlboro Camp. Narating namin itong welcome signage ng Saddle Camp. Yan. And since yun, daytime, parang ngayon ko lang ma-appreciate yung mga dwarf bamboos ng Saddle Camp. Ayan sila. So napakaraming dwarf bamboos dito.
Bicola. Ay, Bicola na baka ayaw niya lang. Hindi, okay lang. Hoy, no, okay lang. Okay, sa akin.
Yan, around 3:30 p.m. So, katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. So, in-enjoy rin namin magstay dito sa Saddle Camp. Pero since camp to kami mag-camping, eto, packet na kami ng summit. So, since, ayun, the usual, after 12 noon, wala nang clearing dito sa Mount Pulag. Ito, ganito yung weather. So, after Saddle Camp, hindi rin biro tong assault na to. Yan yung tail is assault talaga siya, paakyat ng summit. Yan, so from Saddle Camp, marating natin yung intersection na to. So yung trail na to, yung isa sa kanan, yun na yung diretsyo ng Ambangag na hindi ka nadadaan ng summit. Well, ito naman yung trail paakyat sa kaliwa. Ito na yung trail papunta ng summit. And around 30 minutes from Saddle Camp. Yan, we are now approaching yung signage ng summit, or yung summit talaga ng Mount Pulag. Baka sa buong history ng pagpupulag ko, since pang-5 ko na to, ito yata yung first time, my very first time na walang ibang tao dito sa summit maliban sa akin. Though kahit pagi, yeah. Yan. Welcome to the summit of Mount Pulag, the highest peak of Luzon. Congratulations for reaching the highest. That's not for reaching Mount Pulag via Akiki Trail. Yes. Congrats! Hey, ma'am, congratulations! Yay! Isa sa
Paano?
Mount Pulag Summit by Akiki Trail. Congratulations! Reaching Mount Pulag by Akiki Trail.
Yes! Kiss sa silence!
Paano sa silence?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Yan, almost 6 p.m. na. Ayan, na-enjoy na namin magstay dito sa summit ng Mount Pulag. Since ang camp natin ngayon is camp number 2, so hopefully makarating kami doon within 1 hour para hindi masyadong madilim. Yan, thank you again, Mount Pulag.
Ay, dalaw na lang ako. Ay, naku, isa toilet. Kailangan toilet. Kaya lang gamit tabi. Sirba na lang po ako.
1 hour later.
So, ito dinner natin ngayon dito sa Camp 2 ng Ambangag Trail.
Hindi ako nitibyan.
Ang tindi ng lamig ngayon dito sa Camp 2 ng Ambangag Trail.
Tomorrow.
Almost 6 a.m. pero hindi pa kami nakakaalis ng camp number 2 dahil sa napakalamig. Sobrang lamig niya. Hirap kami makatulog. Pero yun, ang dami ng hilera ng tao galing ng Ambangag. So, since weekends ngayon, marami talagang papunta ng summit from Ambangag. So, bale, day 3 ng Mount Pulag namin. Ang target lang namin ngayon is yung tower since nakapag-summit kami kahapon. Again, iba yung lamig dito sa camp number 2. Parang 4 hours or 3 hours lang yung tulog ko. So, on our way to the tower, yun, napakaganda ng sea of clouds dito sa southern part or south side ng viewpoint namin. And 15 minutes na hike from camp number 2. And ito yung reward ng paghihirap namin dito sa Mount Pulag. Dito ganito siya ng first time ko magpulag.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
An amazing comeback dito sa Mount Pulag. And nabiyayaan tayong napakagandang weather. And yan, napakagandang sea of clouds. So again, para hindi masyadong crowded sa summit, especially ngayong weekends, yan, isa rin sa mga spot na magandang sea of clouds viewing ay dito sa may tower, which is around 15 minutes lang na hike from camp number 2. So since nag-summit na rin namin kami kahapon, hindi na kami magsa-summit ngayon, so hanggang tower lang kami. And so after almost 2 hours namin dito sa tower, yan, baba na kami ng camp 2 para mag-breakfast. Nauna na yung mga ibang kasama namin para magluto daw ng breakfast namin. Yan, kumusta naman ang Mount Pulag experience?
May na babalik.
3 years ago.
Bayakiki.
3 years ago, walang clearing pero ngayon.
Okay
Pero
na.
para akong mapapaluha sa sunset kanina.
Sunrise.
Ay, sa sunrise, sorry.
Worth it yung Akiki Trail. Pero dadalawang isip ka talagang
Ulitin mo po ulit yung
huwag doon
Akiki.
ka dadaan.
Pero for sure since weekends ngayon, ang daming tao sa summit, kita pa hanggang ngayon. Oh.
A few moments later.
So, past 10 a.m., alis na kami ng camp number 2. Ano yun? Ano yun? Namit sila. Unang dapa yun. Okay, so a few minutes from camp 2, yan, maladanan ulit natin itong Century Tree na to. So sinasabi nila na Century Tree dahil sa kapal na ng moss na nakabalot sa punong to. Okay, so diretso tayo sa Ambangag Trail. Yan, welcome sa Artista Trail ng Mount Pulag. So, yan, kinawag siya na Artista Trail dahil sobrang dali. Fully established yung daan na to. So mukhang bago to So may landslide pala dito sa Ambangag Trail. Basta nung last na punta ko dito, April 2022, wala pa to. Hindi pa siya na-slide. Wala din pala So 1 hour from Camp 2, narating namin ang Camp 1 pero diretso lang. And so 1.5 hour from camp number 2. Narating na namin ang starting point ng kalsada. Buhay pa naman. Okay.
Certificate of climb is hereby awarded to our top one.
Top 1.
Top one ako. Top
Sige.
Ay, learn lang. Thank you.
Kakanin din. Asya, si Kakanin.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me